please teach me also some steps. We'll make some YouTube shorts, some Instagram shorts. Seriously, this parking is so end up. It is so confusing. Literally, those two security guys over there, they are helping me find my parking. I'm not able to find the parking since the last almost 3 days now. You see, they are searching for my parking. It's such a huge community. Crazy. I think my parking is somewhere here. I spent almost 20-25 minutes to half an hour searching for my parking. I have to use this word. Finally, we found our parking. It took me exactly 25 minutes. Every time I would reach Malkajgiri, dude. Seriously. Okay, it's around 60 centimeters, this one.
Perfect.
You people ask what is the advantage of having a LiDAR on your phone? This is what you can do. You can measure distances. You can measure the length and breadth. And Pooja wanted to know the length of this. I don't have a tape. She's ordering some jars for this area to arrange all that stuff. See, a lot of groceries we got yesterday.
Yeah,
Lots of it.
I spent 13,000.
Pooja spent 13,000 on groceries. 13,000 rupees for groceries. But you know what? This is gonna last for at least 2 months.
Brown rice.
Hand pounded brown rice. Hey, what's up? You want a brush? Ho gaya brush? Yes. Anyways, I think from now onwards our intro is gonna start from the balcony. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Alana, hope everyone is doing great. This place looks really amazing. Feels fresh, feels good, feels new. I mean, especially standing at this height, 15th floor, you get an amazing view of. But you know what? Still that echo sound is there. You see that? Main thing is my office space. This is like full on echo. You hear that? Anyways, one very good news today is that we're gonna get most of the electronics today. And the TV, yes, we ordered the TV. I'll show you what TV it is. Oh yes, all ready. There's a second bath I'm taking in this house. Now for some days we can count. Second intro also I gave today. Second chai also we made today. The household chores started. Is it called chores?
I'm folding my husband's clothes.
Yeah, you look like you're selling clothes. Amma, identama?
1,000 rupees.
1000 రూపాయలు.
1000 రూపాయలు.
Can you speak some more?
తర్వాత. I can talk, but if you tell me to talk with the camera, I get conscious, but otherwise I can. If you are not there, I can talk.
Okay, I need to have my breakfast. Before that, I need to have some protein shake. You know, these days, especially because of the shifting process and all that, I stopped working out that much and also stopped following a proper diet. But at least I try to get my protein intake every day. From a couple of days, I started using Wow's plant-based protein. That's like proper 1 scoop, which is around 25 grams. If you're working like hardcore, if you're going like too heavy in the gym, then obviously you're gonna damage your muscles and you will definitely need more protein in your body. It's got a little bit of biscuit flavor, which I really like. Anyways, taste is subjective. Main important thing is the ingredients it's got. A scoop of this Wow Life Science plant-based protein formulated with a blend of pea and brown rice protein. It's also got grape seed extract. It's got pumpkin seed extract, flaxseed powder, Himalayan pink salt, and each of these ingredients have a specific benefit on your body. For example, grape seeds, they have an antioxidant effect. Himalayan pink salt, as you guys know, it can aid in hydration post-workout. It is vegan and it contains all the essential amino acids that can be produced by your body. Each scoop has 25 grams of plant-based protein, and not to mention, for the health conscious, it is also sugar-free, soy-free, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, right from muscle growth, the most important thing. It adds to the overall fitness. Not to mention, it's got amazing enzymes in it which help in aiding digestion. It's got all the important certification you need: FSSAI, it's ISO and GMP certified. Also, you can verify the authenticity by scanning the QR code on the product. There are no harmful fillers, binders, flavors or additives in their product. Wow Life Science, they believe in potency and efficacy of readily available herbs that have been revered in ancient medicinal practices. They try to introduce the same to you with a modern twist. If you like to keep the calories down, you can add it in water, and also sometimes in the mornings for breakfast I try to add it to oats. That makes one nice, amazing, delicious, power-packed meal. All the links are in the description box below. You can use my coupon code SrimanKotaru20 and get flat 20% off at www.buywow.in, and also the app. You know who is that? I know who is that. That is that Putti Naisha. Disturbing me a lot, I know. Oh, you wore new clothes. Very nice. Okay, apart from this, if we have something more interesting, we have the new TV, bro.
Yeah, bro.
We're gonna do the actually I thought I'll do the unboxing, but Actually, I thought I'd do the unboxing, but then Amazon people, they wanted to check it. Good thing. Otherwise, kuch broken hai to then I would have a problem. It's full glass, huge glass. It's a 65 inch. It's a 65 inch, a huge glass. You also want plant-based protein. Let's unbox this. If we unbox it now, we can put the TV there, watch some nice TV and have chicken biryani. We ordered chicken biryani now. So let's unbox this now, or should we eat and do it? Okay, let's eat and do it.
Then you can burn your calories.
Wow. After a long time we're eating this. That is from Pista House. Actually, we wanted to order this from Shag House. That's also very good. It's really close from
Because
here.
she's eating the rice.
But then Pooja decided, it seems during COVID time she had from Pista House and
Yeah,
it tasted
COVID time.
amazing. Lots of protein
I
and lots of carbs. It's okay, we are not in a diet for a couple of days.
Yes,
I think
allowed.
next week we'll get back. Okay.
Wait, I'll give you. I know you like it. Hold on.
Are you eating biryani?
Only the white.
A true Hyderabadi. We thought nicely we'll sit and enjoy the biryani, but the Chroma people came.
That was a fun actually. ऐसे ही होता है shifting up.
We can't sit and enjoy our biryani.
We're standing and enjoying our biryani.
Standing and doing fast food. But it's okay, that is more important. We need fridge and all. How can we survive without fridge, micro oven? I think we'll be placing the fridge over here because there's a plug point here. Oven, I think there. There is a plug point here.
No.
There's the oven place.
Yo.
Only thing is, when you put a dining table over here, that is gonna obstruct the fridge a little bit.
Look at Naisha sitting on her saman.
And I think every damn thing is here. Now this is a proper home. Fridge, washing machine. This is free stuff we got along with the micro oven.
I told you.
I know you'll say this. I told you.
You don't remember anything.
You don't remember anything. Philips Istri Petti.
Two
What is
steps.
Istri? Iron box. Aquaguard, very important. Grinder, micro oven. इसके नीचे your mom's gift.
By her damad.
Air fryer.
Air fryer. She
So
put
that when I go to
yeah.
your house, I get healthy food. Not deep fried samosa, we get air fried samosa. And one more very important thing, this one. First, we'll set up this. बाद में we'll do that.
Wait, Naisha.
Right? Okay, I think first we'll unbox this because TV is the most important priority. You say important priority is?
When you say it's a priority, it's important only.
Important priority.
Most important priority.
Grammar school again started.
बेकार में आके बोल रहा
तेरा हाइट देख, TV हाइट है. Exactly, TV से भी छोटू. That is the TV stand. These are the cable, batteries and remote. Batteries and remote. I'm not sure if I can fix it on my own. I might need your help. Let's see. Okay, this is the wall mount. So we're not going to mount the TV on the wall here. I'm going to just use a stand and put it over here.
It's not big.
It's not big.
It's
a freaking...
It's humongous.
Oh.
Yeah,
I think this is the
amazing.
biggest TV I've ever owned.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Ghar pe we have 55 inch.
Are we going to watch some nice web series and movies here, or you just got it
Lots.
for show?
If we have time. But we need a TV at home and it came at a good budget, so.
So Shriman said, let's grab it. What are you doing there, badmash ladki? बहुत मजा आ रहा है तुमको आज, हाँ?
One fancy feature we have in this sofa. It's a sofa bed, so just pull this.
Mara group.
Hey, wait, Naisha. Get it here.
Wow! It's
Now
become a bed now.
Now it's become a big bed now. You can put the screen over here and work on it.
Move this chutki first. Naisha, get down.
It's as tall as you. Naisha, move.
Naisha, हटो पापा को करने दो.
This is where we need to put the stand. We have a power cord, so now all I need to do is put this over there and connect the power cord and we should be good. That's it. It looks really good. Actually, after putting it over here, it looks really big. First inauguration of the TV, powering
I
it
can't see
on.
this.
Yes, lights came up.
Perfect. अब मैं नहाने जा रही हूँ. उसको सुला दो नाइशा को.
Wait.
Naisha stand. Yeah, that sofa was very tempting.
Okay, let's power it on 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that's my phone brand. It's good.
तू और तेरा towel. Wait, come here, come here. I think it's gonna take quite some time to set it up, connect it to the internet, and then I'll see you guys. So we set up the TV, all perfect, and first we start with a YouTube, obviously, and more importantly, what do we need to play on YouTube? Seeman Kotaru's channel. Though this is like a proper 4K TV, I don't make 4K content. Soon I'll be making it because one more order is on the way. You can guess it. Can you guess it? And there is the dude. Channel trailer actually. Yes.
New L'Oreal Paris Infallible.
Oh no, we are getting ads. Very important. Oh yes, this is my favorite video. I spent like almost 10 hours of editing on this video. Oh yes, gas is also here. Puja is going on by Puja. Indian insurance basically. Modern techniques, modern engineering. You don't need a gas cylinder here. It comes through this piped gas. So good thing is how much ever you use, that much only is gonna get charged. See that box over there? That is a meter. It's like your electric meter. How much you consume, that much will be charged. Yes, that is our fancy looking fridge. Nice metallic aluminum finish, brushed aluminum finish. More than enough for 2 people. It's unboxed the micro oven. Major important things all done, and this house becomes proper livable.
Your new word is livable.
Livable.
After next level, livable.
And next level, yeah, we're actually next level. 15th floor, next level. Advantages of having a close neighbor. You know, all these days I had to drive 30 kilometers. I know you guys are expecting me to say this, and I'll be repeating this for some time because I'm so happy. Literally cut my travel time by hours. One side is 1 hour, going back is another 1 hour.
అరే శ్రీమాన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారా కిందికి రా చాయ్ తాగు
Oh, he's like, Shriman, come down, we'll have some chai, and we just came. 2 minutes mein. Thanks for being my Uber driver. But some people are coming literally from downtown. Lotkunta. He started like almost 45 minutes back. But first time I sir, please come to High Tech City metro station and pick me up from there. I'll come in the metro. I pora bandes kon ra anna. No unparliamentary language. The vlog is on.
ఓ సారీ హాయ్
Hi.
పడవ
This boy came literally to meet us. మా దేవుడు వచ్చాడు మళ్ళీ. Our God appeared. He literally came from 25 kilometers, 30 kilometers.
25 ఏంద్రా ఉంటదేమో 30 ఉంటది.
He started at 6:25. Now time is, I'm gonna boast like this for some time. Yeah, let's get in. Me, Chaitanya and Adi are here trying to explore the clubhouse. There's a live scale model here. You actually need this because we're trying to figure out where we live in these buildings. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. But thanks to you guys, I'm able to explore my place.
15th ఫ్లోర్ కదా
Chal, da. Don't pull the joke. But we have more than required, right? Facilities.
Yeah, I think it's excellent. For your daily requirements, more than. This is where Shriman will grow his female audience.
The 6-pack. Abhi gaya hamara 6-pack. There's only belly pack.
GoPro water from where?